Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller, and I'm also a marketing manager by day for a software company. But I started this channel a couple of years ago, and about a year and a half ago, and I've been loving being on YouTube. I just love it. I love the community. I love the people who the subscribers. I love the reseller friends I have. It's wonderful. Today I'm doing an unboxing of one of my favorite boxes, which is the DIY Designer box from ThredUp. And that is a box that they have designer items, 7 designer items for $140 plus tax and shipping. For me, it comes to about it comes to $140 because, no, $150 because I pay shipping. So yeah, $150. So, you know, it's about $22 per item or something like that. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm opening today. I wanted to say first, before I start, there is a collab upcoming, and we are going to be doing it's September 13th, so keep your eyes peeled for more details. But it's going to be Elevate Your Style is the name of it, and it's going to be where all the creators that are in it choose their own style, and then they style it up with various pieces of clothing from either thrifting, from whatever place they choose. Mine is going to be shabby luxe, and I'm going to be choosing used items, old items, new items, designer items, and even a Walmart item in there. I made sure I included one because anyway, it's going to be interesting. Okay, so with that, I don't have much to say today except for I got this in a ThredUp DIY jewelry box, and I love it. And the earrings are from Brighton. I got them from Brighton a long time ago. This dress is a mock turtleneck dress. It's a short little mini dress, and it's so nice for summer. I got it at a thrift store for about $5, and it's I can't remember what the brand name is, but it's a brand name I love. All right, are you ready for this ThredUp DIY Designer box? I was super excited to get this box because it's heavy, and if you're wondering why it's upside down, the first thing I now look at when I get a ThredUp box, especially a designer box, is the bottom of the box. And this one was terrible. When I got it, it wasn't even this good. It was like this when I got it. It was like this. I mean, I don't know how items stayed in it. I hope I got all my items. It still feels pretty heavy. But I don't know, ThredUp. You got to do something different with your boxes. This was all, this is supposed to be attached. It was all unattached. So I'm just going to open it from the bottom, because what's the use in cutting it open when the box is already ruined from the bottom? I hate to say that, but anyway, but I still love ThredUp, so there. All right, this is the box that I got. There is the first look, and I see what might be, I thought I saw something red. I thought I saw Louboutin. Oh, yeah. I see a Louboutin. You know what? I'm going to do a couple clothing items first, though. This was the first item I saw pop out. And this is a super cute floral cotton Alice and Olivia dress, and it's a size 2. Oh, it's got like it's really stretchy. It's got this, stretch at the waist. Oh, this is such a cute dress. I wish this was my size. It's so cute. I don't see anything wrong with it. A lot of the times when you get these size 2 dresses, it's just because they just didn't sell. The smaller sizes just don't sell as well as bigger sizes. So, but I will hang it up and have a look at it. And by the way, everything in this video will be for sale unless I decide to keep it. But it should be for sale. I will put a price up there for you. So, all right, the next clothing item is this wild print. Huh, cute. Okay, it's a dress. It's a Millie dress, size 4. It feels like, oh my gosh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. It looks like a midi length with a little slit at the bottom, little one. Not a long slit, but a little slit. Zips up the back, right? Yeah, it's a hidden zipper in the back. A lot of times Millie will have an exposed zipper. But I think it does have a little stretch to it too, yeah. So, yeah, it has white in it, which leads me to believe there must be a stain on it somewhere, but I do not see a stain on it just at first look. So, Millie dress. So far, no wows, but all right. I'm just hoping we have 7 items in here, to be honest. What is this? This is gorgeous, whatever this is. Of course, I love this color. This is what I just pulled out. What is it? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Where's the top? Okay, this is, I don't know what this is. Look at, this is the tag. Let's see. I can't read it. It's so faded, or it just doesn't have, I don't know what this, but it's a, I'm gonna have to figure it out, but it's a beautiful lavender jacket. Oh my heavens. It is just gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Acne Studios. Okay, double face. Acne Studios double face. Made in Korea. It's 85% wool and 15% cashmere. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can really see this, but oh my goodness. And the little tag is on the inside there, in the bottom of the coat. So Acne Studios is a Swedish designer. It's an unfortunate name if you ask me, but they must have chosen it before they realized what it meant. What size is it though? What size is it? I don't see a size here. I'm trying to give you, I'll give you a better look on the mannequin, but I mean, look at this coat. Oh my heavens. It is just beautiful. Cashmere, wool and cashmere. I might have it dry cleaned. It's a size 34. Size 34. I don't know what size that is in whatever size. I don't know if that's Euro size. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. But I'll have the size on the screen. It is gorgeous. I love that jacket. That is a great, great find. I'd probably make most of my money back from that, but I haven't sold a ton of acne clothing, so we'll see. But all right, next up is this St. John's knit skirt. It's beige and it's got this little ruffly detail, the scallop detail, I mean, at the bottom, not ruffly. It's a size 4. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's got, yeah, it seems okay. A shoe fell out while I was looking at that. This is the 4th item, and the rest are shoes. So I can happily tell you, we do have 7 items. So that's the first thing that makes me happy. So there we go. Okay. Next up is this absolutely unbelievably cute pair of shoes. Just Cavalli. Oh, look at that. Oh my heavens. They're croc embossed leather. Let's see, real leather, size 38. Okay, if these fit me at all, I'll be keeping them. I'm gonna clean up the insides a little bit. I really don't even know if they need a lot. I think that the kind of beige internal is what it's meant to be. Leather bottoms. I mean, look at the buckle details on these. They're in great shape too, by the way. The leather, you can't even tell. I mean, it's just beautiful. Size 38. And, you know, the bottom of the shoes gives a lot of idea about the wear. So, yeah, these are great. Just Cavalli. Never got Just Cavalli shoes before, but they're beautiful. All right. Those are great. They're great for me. I hope they fit me. All right, next is this pair of Louboutin sandals. They're wedge sandals. They've got kind of a gross grain ribbon top. Give you an up close look at that. The gross grain ribbon looks like it needs to be cleaned, and these look really small. They've got, see, they're a wedge, and they've got a rope type heel. That's the insole. I wonder if the size is marked. The size is on the heel, I know, always for these, but is it also somewhere else? Because it might have worn off the heel. I can't tell. Maybe with a magnifying glass I'll be able to look and see, but it's having a hard time seeing what it's probably about a size 6 or 7. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. But they're in decent shape. Once I clean them up, they will be in good shape though. The nice thing about it is the structure is perfect. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They're not splitting in any place. They're not torn, ripped. This is clearly a really good quality. I mean, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that part of it. It looks excellent. So if I can get the size for you, it would be really great, right? One more look at this part. And there's only one thing left. This was like the fastest designer box ever. And this, oh my goodness, this does not disappoint at all. Oh gosh, they're my size. All right, these are they in good shape? They are. Oh my heavens. This is a pair of Prada wedge sandals, leather, size 38. Look at that, Prada. At first I thought maybe there's something wrong. I don't see anything wrong with these. I guess a little bit of the stitching came out right here, but that doesn't seem to have affected the quality. No, they're still fine. These are in great shape. Oh my gosh. I might try and sell these myself on eBay rather than sending them into the RealReal. They don't sell there. And by the way, they'll be for sale here. So if anyone wants them, they're in amazing condition. The only thing I see wrong is right here. The stitching has come out a little bit. But, you know, look at this. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Oh, not, you know. But I'm pulling hard and nothing's happening. And same here. The stitching came out a little bit, but it does not affect it. So the leather is in amazing condition. There's one little tiny thing right here. If you can see that, you can't even hardly see it. But other than that, wow, they are, oh, I hope they don't fit me. I have wide feet, so usually right here is where it gets me. My feet are too, my toes are too, there's too much width in there, but they're in amazing condition. I'm super happy with this box. It's not the best one I've gotten, and the Alice and Olivia and all that, you know, whatever. But these are great. These are great. These are gonna be really great once I clean them. I know what to do with them. And these are beautiful, really happy about these. And then of course we've got the St. John size 4 skirt, the Acne jacket, which I'm gonna be trying on because it might be my winter coat for this year. I don't know what 34 means, we'll see. But anyway, and then we've got this dress, which was what, size 4 Millie, good condition. And the Alice and Olivia size 2 dress. So I think it's kind of a miracle that all the items made it, because that box came in here with a giant hole. Anyway, so I guess I'm kind of a complainer today. But I still love my ThredUp boxes. I love the designer boxes. And will I make my money back? Absolutely. I think I'll do pretty well on this box in the end. So don't forget about the upcoming collab. Once we get times, by the way, this is organized by Misty at Skeeter Jones. And so once we get the times, we will be able to release more information. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much. And let me know if you want to buy anything. mystepstyle@gmail.com. $8 for as many items as you care to buy from this video. By the way, I should say one more thing. If you ever find anything in my eBay store, which is linked in my profile, and you want to add it on, I would also give you free shipping on any items you wanted from my store too. You would just need to let me know ahead of time to end the item for you, and then I would include it for you. So, all right, thank you so much and have a great day.